AI avatars are no longer a sci-fi dream. They're here, talking to your customers, making YouTube videos, and even replacing real influencers. This is the future, and it's happening faster than you think. What are AI avatars? AI avatars are digital humans created using deep learning. They can talk, emote, and even mimic real people. Powered by tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, and Deep Brain, they're being used for training, marketing, customer support, and full content creation. They're already replacing jobs from virtual receptionists to YouTube presenters. Companies are cutting costs using AI avatars. These bots don't sleep, don't need paychecks, and can work 24/7 without breaks. Rise of deepfake influencers. Believe it or not, some influencers today are 100% fake. Brands are sponsoring AI-generated models and digital personalities. These avatars are gaining followers and influencing millions, without ever being real. Real-life examples: meet Aitana Lopez, an AI influencer from Spain. Or Cookie AI, a chatbot with a personality. Some companies even use Synthesia avatars as internal CEOs delivering team messages. These aren't just animations, they're redefining human interaction. Future outlook plus creator impact. In the next 2 to 5 years, expect AI avatars to dominate low-cost media production, explainer videos, short storytelling, and even customer engagement. The question is, will human creators adapt, or be replaced? Would you trust an AI avatar to represent your brand or create your content? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly AI hacks and future tech content.